one of the reasons as to why we're really not trying to do nothing to impress people of lately. So even if we drive an older car or we do vacation once a year, or maybe even if we just wear something simple, not name brand, but just simple, like I don't care. I don't really care if the clothes we have on at the moment when you see me, it value $2,000 or it value $50. I don't care. And one of the main reasons as to why I change is because I see things every single day where a lot of people can't see. A lot of people don't have access to it. Let me show you something. You see that? So what I can tell you is, this person I will come outside in a nice car, nice dress. You know, that person I will come to the club looking real nice with a couple $100s in their pocket, maybe them last. And you have a think say, this person is doing well, but that this don't go wrong. Because on my job, I get the opportunity to see them without all of the flex. We get the opportunity to see them where they actually live. We get the opportunity to see exactly how they actually live. And because of that, I change my route. I not hear the impressing thing again. Because I know what going on behind the scenes. I see what going on behind the scenes. And most people that I come in contact with, not doing very well. They're not good. American are tough, Jamaica people. American are tough. We just make some bad decisions and we keep it dig ourselves in the same hole, deeper and deeper.